Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Here I will be discussing a new method, that is Gauss elimination method. This is also known as row reduction method, and it is an algorithm in linear algebra for solving a system of linear equations. By this method we can calculate values for the linear system of equations, and we can find the rank of a matrix. We can find the inverse of an invertible square matrix and determinant of the matrix, etc. Let's start with this method. Basically, we need elementary transformations for solving a linear system of equations using this Gauss elimination method. So let's see what are the elementary transformation of a matrix. First one, we can interchange any two rows or any two columns of a given matrix. Second one, the multiplication of any two row or column by a non-zero number, that is we can multiplicate a row or a column with a constant. Next one, the addition of a constant multiple of the elements of any row or column to the corresponding elements of any other row. These are the elementary transformations which are used while solving a system of equations by Gauss elimination method. The notations for this elementary transformations are Ri. This means interchange. So Ri interchange Rj. Here we are interchanging the ith row and the jth row. This means multiplying a row with a non-zero number, that is a constant k. So k into Ri, which means multiplication of the ith row by k, which is a constant. Next one is Ri plus krj. For addition to the ith row, k times the jth row. So these are the elementary transformations and their corresponding notations. Moving to the Gauss elimination method. These are the steps for Gauss elimination method. First one is, first of all, write the augmented matrix, that is the coefficient matrix along with the elements of B. First of all, write the augmented matrix. Then make into upper triangular form. Make into upper triangular form by using this elementary transformations. Then the third step is, by back substitution find the values for unknown. So these are the main steps of Gauss elimination method. Moving to the problems. First one, solve 4x minus 6y equal to minus 11 minus 3x plus 8y equal to 10. First of all, write the matrix form. Here coefficients are 4, minus 6, minus 3, 8 into variables x, y is equal to minus 11 by 10. First of all, write the augmented matrix. So here the augmented matrix AB equal to 4, minus 6, minus 11, minus 3, 8, 10. Next, we want to make this matrix in an upper triangular form using this elementary transformations. Upper triangular form means a matrix whose diagonal, the elements below the diagonals should be 0. This type of matrix is an upper triangular matrix. So here we want to make the elements below the diagonals as 0. So here the diagonal means this is the diagonal. So we want to make this minus 3 as 0. So we use the transformation like this. That is, here R2. R2 means the second row. Here minus 3 appears in the second row. So second row changes to R2 plus, what to do? 3 by 4 R1. So we have the corresponding element is minus 3 plus 3 by 4 into R1. The corresponding R1 element is 4. So into 4. So 4 cancel, minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. So this element will be 0. Okay. An easy method is that is R2 changes to R2 plus whatever be the element in R2. So R2 divided by with respect to R1. So element of R1 into R1. Like this. This is the transformation method. That is R2 changes to R2 plus 3 by 4 R1. So the element will be 0. The next element 8. 8 will be changed as 8 plus 3 by 4. Corresponding element in R1, that is minus 6. So into minus 6. So 6, 4 cancel. This is 2. This is 3. So 8 plus 9 by 2. So that is equal to minus 9. So 16 minus 9 by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2. So element 7 by 2. Similarly, here 10 replaced by 7 by 4. Then next, check the elements below the diagonal. Here only one element. We make it as 0. So this triangle is in the form of an upper triangular form. So the next step is over. Then by back substitution, we want to find the values for unknowns. Back substitution means here again write this matrix, the final matrix, into the corresponding matrix form. So this corresponds to matrix A and the last column corresponds to B. Rewrite this matrix into their corresponding matrix form. We get 4 minus 6 0 7 by 2 into x into y equal to minus 11 7 by 4. Next, by back substitution. So first of all, consider the last row. Here 0 into x plus 7 by 2 into y equal to 7 by 4. Okay, and from the first row 4x minus 6y equal to minus 11. We got these two equations. From the second equation we got, from this second equation we have y equal to 7 by 4 into 2 by 7. So this is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So we got the values for y. Substitute this value of y in this first equation, then we can find the value of x. From the second equation we have y equal to 1 by 2. Substitute this y in equation 1. We got 4x equal to minus 11 plus 6y, that is equal to minus 11 plus 6 into y is 1 by 2. Therefore 4x equal to minus 8, x equal to minus 2. Therefore the solutions are x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 1 by 2. So this is the Gauss elimination method to find the system of equations. Next problem. Solve the augmented matrix 2 4 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 0 4 0 6 0. So it is an augmented matrix, which means this corresponds to capital A and the last column corresponds to capital B. Okay, so this is the augmented matrix. Here in the second row, the first element is 1 minus 1. Interchange this element to first row, because if the first element is 1, then we can make the other elements 0 easily. So here first of all interchange the first two rows. So the answer is, this is the augmented matrix. Here I am going to interchange the first and second row. So the matrix will be minus 1 1 minus 2 0 2 4 1 0 4 0 6 0. Next we want to make this as an upper triangular form. Here the diagonal is this one, minus 1 4 6. This is the diagonal element. So we want to make 2 4. Already this is 0. So 2 4 as 0. So the transformations are R2 changes to R2 plus 2R1. So the element will be 0, then 6 minus 3 0. So the matrix is minus 1 1 minus 2 0. Second row as 0 6 minus 3 0. The third row as same 4 0 6 0. Next we want to make this 4 as 0. The transformation is R3 changes to R3 plus 4R1. That is here 4 plus 4 into minus 1, that is equal to 0. Similarly, the second element, here this is 0, this will be 0 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. Next, this is 6, so 6 plus 4 into minus 2, so 6 plus minus 8, that is minus 2, then 0. The next step is we want to make this 4 as 0. Okay, these two transformations can done in a single step. Okay, these two, that is R2 changes to R2 plus 2R1 and R3 changes to R3 plus 4R1. These two transformations we can do it in a single step. Okay, next we want to make this 4 as 0. For that, the transformation is R3 changes to R3 minus R3's element then by R2's element. So R3 minus 4 by 6 R2. So the last row completely 0. This is an upper triangular form. Next, transform this matrix into its matrix form. This is the first two matrix. These two transformation can be done in a single step. Okay. Then the upper triangular form is minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 6, minus 3, 0, 0, 0 into x, y, z, that is equal to 0, 0, 0. Then from this we can write the equations as first one minus x minus 1 into x, that is minus x, plus 1 into y, that is y, minus 2 into z, minus 2z is equal to 0. Second equation as 0 into x, 0x plus 6y minus 3z equal to 0, and from the last row 0x plus 0y plus 0z is equal to 0. From this last equation we didn't get any solutions for x and y and z. So consider the second equation, that is 0x plus 6y minus 3z equal to 0. Here there are two variables. Suppose if we have the value for y, then we can find z. So give an arbitrary value for y, say y equal to t. Then this equation implies 3z is equal to 6t. So z equal to 2t. If y is chosen as t, we can find the value of z as 2t. Then substitute these two values of y and z in our first equation, that is minus x plus y minus 2z equal to 0. This will be x is equal to 2z minus y. Then substitute for z and y, that is 2 into 2t, that is 4t minus t, that is equal to minus, not minus, plus 3t. So x equal to 3t. So the solutions are x equal to 3t, y equal to t, and z equal to 2t. For the values of t, the solutions will be vary. So these are the solutions for the second problem. Next, third one, y plus 3z equal to 9, 2x plus 2y minus z equal to 8, minus x plus 5z equal to 8. First of all, write the matrix form, then write the augmented matrix. Here, the first element is 0. Change this element to any other rows because we want to make the matrix into an upper triangular form. So the elements below the diagonal should be 0. So better to interchange this first row. So first row interchange to second row, that is 2 2 minus 1 8, 0 1 3 9, minus 1 0 5 8. Then we want to make this minus 1 as 0. For that, the transformation is R3 changes to R3 plus 1 by 2 R1. So the elements will be, third row changes to 0 1 9 by 2 12. Next we want to make this 1 as 0, then only it will be in upper triangular form. For that, the transformation is R3 changes to R3 minus R2. So the third row will be 0 0 3 by 2 0. So this is an upper triangular form because the elements below the diagonal terms are 0. Then write the corresponding matrix form. So this is the corresponding matrix form. Then write the equations from this. So by back substitution we have from the last row 0x plus 0y plus 3 by 2 z is equal to 3. So 3 by 2 z equal to 3 implies z equal to 2. Then Move on to the second row, that is y plus 3z equal to 9. Substitute z equal to 2, we get y equal to 3. Then again substitute these two values in the first equation, that is 2x plus 2y minus z equal to 8 gives x equal to 2. So we have unique solutions. Okay, because 3 equations in 3 variables, therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to 2. This is the solutions. Next problem, solve the augmented matrix. Okay, this is an augmented matrix. So the first 3 columns corresponds to the matrix A and the last column corresponds to the matrix B. Here I want to make this matrix in upper triangular form. Okay, first of all consider the given matrix, then the transformations are R2 changes to R2 minus 2 by 3 R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 6 by 3 R1. Then the matrix will be this one. Then next we want to make this minus 2 as 0. For that transformation is R3 changes to R3 minus 2 divided by 1 by 3 R2, which means R3 just changes with respect to R2. So R3 minus is R3 changes to R3 minus elements in the third row is R3 by element from the second row, it is R2 into R2. Then we can easily make this as 0. So this is an upper triangular form. Then rewrite this matrix into a matrix form. Then write the corresponding equations. We get 3x plus 2y plus z. This is not y, this is z, is equal to 3. Second equation minus 1 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 z equal to minus 2. And from the fourth equation we have third equation we have 0 equal to 4. Okay, the last equation 0 equal to 4, which is a wrong statement, isn't it? Left side is 0, right side is 4, which is a wrong statement. Therefore this matrix have no solution. Next problem, solve the system of equations. We have 4 equations with 3 variables. Okay, 3x plus 3y plus 2 z equal to 1, x plus 2y equal to 4, 10y plus 3 z equal to minus 2, 2x minus 3y minus z equal to 5. This is the corresponding, these are the transformations. The next transformation, then again the next transformations, R4 changes to R4 plus 5 R2, R3 changes to R3 minus 10 R2. This is an upper triangular form, then corresponding matrix form. Then on back substitution we have z equal to minus 4, y equal to 1, x equal to 2. Therefore the solutions are x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus